Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. Hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I have something a bit different. This is just something I bought for myself with some money I had left over from Christmas. Um, Not something I've seen too many people have, but I definitely seen a few people bought one of these. I think I see it in Lock Noob got one, and I think Bobby Keys has one, and probably a few other people that have them that I'm not aware of. But there it is. It's a compound table, or an XY table, as some people call it. Um, yeah, I haven't even opened it up yet, but this is this is exactly how it came, guys. Um, this is the only box that this is exactly how it came. It wasn't in a box. It wasn't. It was just one piece of tape here and one piece of tape there, and yeah, glad it made it here. It was an Amazon Prime item, so it came pretty quick, and I'm sure if there's any problems with it, they'll have no problem taking it back or sending me a new one or whatever. But yeah, let's open it up and see. Like I said, I haven't even opened the box yet, so I think we'll just take everything out and have a quick look at it. Okay. I'm already kind of happy with what I see. Okay, box is empty. And someone's messaging me on my phone. I'm probably going to get a phone call soon if I don't answer that message, but whatever, we'll go through this first. So, for those of you that don't know, this is an XY table, which means it moves in two axes, X and Y. And great for putting on a drill press and dialing something in pretty close. A lot of misconceptions that this can be used right out of the box as a table for milling on your drill press. And those of you that think that's possible, well, you're not totally wrong, but out of the box, it'll be hard to mill with this on a drill press. I'm not saying it can't be done, but you need a really rigid setup for that to happen. But with that being said, I did order some milling bits that are on their way. They're going to take a little while to come in, but I am going to hopefully be able to do some really light milling on my drill press with this thing. Actually, first project I have in mind, I'm going to see if I can make some pitting trays. I think that I could probably take a router bit and crank up the speed on my my drill press and clamp a piece of wood onto this thing, and I'll be able to sort of jog and you know what I mean? Go down, make a slot, probably turn this wheel maybe a couple revolutions to the next slot. So then you know your slots are exactly, I don't know, this is in centimeters. Let's say, I don't know, 15 millimeters apart or something like that. I'll definitely be making a video of that. Should be some handles in here for these wheels, and right on, they're going to be handles that spin when you turn them, which is what I was hoping for. Let's see. Let's give you guys a view of this. I'm guessing this is going to be for the handle. Yep, probably. So that'll go in there, and we got a star bit. I have a star screwdriver. Let's see if I can get some better. Oof, I don't want to blow that out like that. Something like that. See, that's why I keep my exposure locked. It always blows stuff out. Let's see here. Oops, sorry guys. Hope these handles are the same size. Where's my other handle? Did I take that out already? Missing a handle. Where did I take that out, or is it not here? I don't think I took it out, so I might be missing one of the handles. Which, if I was missing anything, that's not a bad thing to be missing. I could easily make one. So yeah. Oh, wow, this looks like crap. Maybe something like that. So yeah, you can see how this is moving with the crank of the handle. Fair bit of range on here too, in that direction, and probably quite a bit more in this direction here. So yeah, I can have a play with this. Like I said, hopefully everything works out, and I'll make a video on how we could use one of these to make a pinning tray, among other things. Like I said, it'll probably do some light, very light milling. Excuse me, but yeah, I'm gonna try my hardest to make some sort of cutaway with it. I won't be too disappointed if it's not possible, because like I said, I was watched quite a few videos, and I'm well aware that drill presses aren't obviously aren't milling machines, so you'll need to put some work behind them for it to mill. It has to be an extremely rigid setup. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm pretty happy for first impressions anyway. Gonna look for that other handle, but if not, I'll just make one. I got some aluminum here, probably same diameter too. Alright guys, I just wanted to quickly share that. Just came in, mailman just left, and wanted to get this open and checked out. And we have a big storm coming, so I have to run a few errands before that hits, and yeah, get some food in the house before the before the big storm comes. We're expecting a monster storm coming. I think they said something like 70 centimeters. Yeah, just crazy. Anyway, guys, thanks for sticking in with me there. Hopefully I'll have some more content out soon. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.